Hello, my name is Shira Gupta. I am from Ambernath, Maharashtra, India. The name of the topic is number theoretic functions and coordinate geometry. First of all, I thanks IJSR to give me this opportunity to explain my work towards you, towards audience. Number theoretic functions comes under number theory and coordinate geometry. Both are different branches of mathematics. So here you can see my work here. Um, my whole relations which are published in paper is based on this graph. So here ABC is a triangle having vertices p की power a minus 1 comma q की power b minus 1. The vertices of b are p की power a comma q की power b and vertices of c are p की power a plus 1 comma q की power b plus 1. Where p and q comma where p comma q are the primes and a comma b are the positive integers. So m and o r s t are the points which lies in x-axis and y-axis. Um, Constructions are construct a straight line from the vertices A and C towards x-axis and y-axis and construct a straight line from the vertex B towards x-axis, not on y-axis because it covers some portion of triangle ABC. And here in this paper I describe how to find the Euler's phi function phi of n where n is equal to p की power a into q की power b using area of these 8 triangles T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. So in this paper I describe how to find the Euler's function using this 8 triangle. I not in, here I'm no, I don't include this 8 of triangle ABC. I take only 8 triangles here, and these are my important relations which are published in my paper also. So you can see this is first relation, second relation, and so on. Here phi of n is in terms of all 8 triangles, every 8 triangles, and these all relations are excluding of area of triangle ABC. I not include area of triangle ABC here. So you can see the relations here. And this is inequality relations. I made both equality and inequality relations. And you can see my work on my YouTube channel also. Name of my YouTube channel is Chira Gupta, and I am not as much good in English, so please ignore my grammatical mistakes. And for example, phi of 12. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. First, I convert this in vertices ABC of triangle ABC. P की power a minus 1 comma q की power b minus 1 b p की power a comma q की power b and c p की power a plus 1 comma q की power b plus 1. Or we can write it as 2 comma 1 according to this form. B 4 comma 3 and C is 8 comma 9. Okay, so first I construct a triangle ABC so that I get all other triangles, 8 triangles. This is A, B and C. A, B and C. A is here 2 comma 1, B is here 4 comma 3 and C is 8 comma 9. So I construct lines called MN, R, S and T. So vertices of M are 0 comma 9, vertices of N are 0 comma 1, vertices of R is 2 comma 0, vertices of S is 4 comma 0 and vertices of T are 8 comma 0. So I find this area of triangle first. Okay, M and C. Suppose I find this using this first relation. Okay, phi of n. My first relation is phi of n 2 into t2 into t5 into t7 by t3 t7 plus t8. Okay, so here first I calculate area of triangle T2 and AC, area of triangle T5, that is RAB. Okay, RAB, area of triangle T7, that is SBC. Okay, SBC, and area of triangle T, that is STC, and area of triangle T3 also, that is O and A, this area. If I calculate all these areas and put in this formula, so I get phi of n is equal to 4, phi of 12 is equal to 4. So you can see my you can watch my paper also, and you can watch my videos on my YouTube channel also. So these are my relations. Thank you for watching my video.